I am Shourabh Pramanik. I have graduated from RCC IIT in the year of 2014 as a first batchmate of AI. So I am doing my job in GAIL India Limited's CNG and PNG businesses as an executive engineer instrumentation. From natural gas, we are processing CNG through high pressure. The process variable like pressure, temperature and flow, we are monitoring and controlling those and produces CNG. So nowadays, the importance of CNG, LNG and HCNG is like a main fuel. So love your department and all the best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Anindita Paul here. I am from 2013-17 graduation batch from RCC in Applied Electronics and Instrumentation domain. Currently I am placed in Capgemini India Private Limited and I work as a Java developer as well as in maintenance domain also. About the 4 years tenure of my college life in RCC it's been a great journey with all of my friends as well as with the faculties of our department. About the aspect of AIE, I can say it is basically an advanced branch of engineering which deals with real-time implementation of instrumentation, control process and application of electronics and few digital aspects also. Apart from this core background, from this department we can get knowledge about few languages which is definitely very much helpful for our job perspective also. Apart from this educational background, in RCC IIT in our department it is having great facilities as well as good infrastructure and great lab facilities and good management system also. And I would like to mention one more thing about the faculties of our department, like I have got great knowledge and many lessons from them which is definitely very much helpful for me and which is helping me and will also help me in my career perspective in future as well. So overall it was a great experience in RCC IIT. Thank you all.
Hi all, I'm Ira Marfa. I'm from AEI 2015 batch. I'm currently doing my master's in embedded systems at University of Stuttgart, Germany. I would like to share my bachelor's experience with you people. When we joined AEI, it was a pretty new department and everything was in the setting up stage. But yet again, the curriculum was very good. The kind of subjects that we studied, like industrial automation and distributed systems, sensors, they're helping me right now during my master's. I can actually apply all that. I'm finding things relatable and also slightly easier because I have studied all that before. And instrumentation in general, I would say that it's a very demanding field globally, and you can always go into automation or automotive industry or robotics by studying this stream. The course structure that we had during our times, it was very organized. There was a mandatory summer internship that we had to do. If you do it seriously, then it's going to help you a lot in future. During placements, we had regular mock exams and we also had soft skill classes. And to be very honest, all that helped me a lot to clear Infosys. The faculty is very knowledgeable and they're very warm and they're very helpful and encouraging also. You can always go to them and talk to them about stuffs, about studies, about life, and they will always be available. And for me, that was the case. And yes, there are resources available in the library, and if you want any papers or journals, you can get help from the department, and that's about it. And if you need any help regarding master's application in Germany, you can always reach out to me. I can try to help you in whatever way I can. All the best, and thank you. Bye bye.
Hi, I am Jitendra Singh. I am 2014 batch pass out from AI department of RCC Institute of Information Technology. Currently I am working with TCS as a software developer. My learning experience was nice and especially the faculty were very good and supportive in nature. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Chandrama Mukherjee and I was a part of RCC from the year 2012 to 2016 in the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. So currently I am pursuing my PhD in the Department of Physics and Astronomy at Georgia State University in USA. I transferred from being an engineer to being a basic science physicist, and that has not been a very easy journey for me. But I hope that the next few years I will be learning a lot of science, a lot of physics, a lot of research will be undergoing. So my research topic is based on cancer. I study cancer cells with the help of a technique called FTIR spectroscopy, which we had a vague view when we were in the instrumentation department of engineering. I hope that RCC is going to be a place where you can learn a lot of stuff and you can be well acquainted with everything that has been happening around in the science background and the engineering background. I hope everyone joins RCC and be the the best engineer a person can be. The department itself has a number of faculties who have always been there to help, and I had a pretty good experience from the teachers. Whatever problems I face as of now as well, I ask them and they always respond to me. So RCC is the place to be. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, this is Shubhato Roy Chaudhary, an ex-student from the batch of 2015 of AI department at RCC IIT. Currently I am working in a MNC as a software developer. Now as a department, I have always liked AI as it consists of the electronics papers like microprocessors, digital electronics, analog electronics, the instrumentation papers like biomedical instrumentation, industrial instrumentation, sensors, transducers, as well as the IT papers like C, data structures, etc., which help students prepare for core companies as well as IT companies. And hence the curriculum was instrumental in helping me clear my initial interviews. Now the faculties of the department are very good. They make sure that the concepts are clear. The department is equipped with all the major laboratory setups to help students have a practical experience of what they are studying. Along with the studies, there are fun-filled technical and cultural events happening every year for the students to showcase their talents. To make the journey even better, there are sports and arts events as well throughout the year, and students can take part in it and enjoy their time. On the whole, I would like to say that it was an amazing experience for me to be part of the AI department at RCC IIT. Thank you.